Happy New Year! Kami po ang mag-asawang Pineda. Ako po si Bong.
Ako naman po si Claire.
We are happy and excited to be part of the FEBC family.
Yes, we are your new companions on this new segment that will focus on marriage, journey, and God's blueprint para sa buhay mag-asawa. Samahan niyo po kami sa ilang minutong kwentuhan at nag-uuminit na usapan tungkol sa mga issues na kinakaharap nating mga married couples.
The Word of God says, what God has joined together, let no one separate. Naniniwala kami na ang biyaheng mag-asawa ay biyahe to forever. That is why it should be your goal to strengthen your marriage.
I agree with you, honey, no? Let us remember that our relationship as husband and wife will lay the foundation for your home and family. We have the power and authority to set the mood in our house. Kaya di ba, honey, sinabi tayo ang haligi at ilaw ng tahanan because we set the direction for our family.
We all heard of the saying, happy wife and happy life. And personally, I strongly believe on that. Kaya nga ako, I'll make sure that I'll always make you happy, honey.
Talaga, ha?
Pero, Han, question, what if kayo happy, kami hindi? Parang hindi, it's not that fair.
Yeah, I agree with you, honey. Marriage should not be one-sided. It should not consist of only one person doing all the giving at yung isa, receive na lang ng receive. Sige, ganito, honey. Siguro from now on, let's put it this way. Happy spouse, happy house.
At kapag happy ang bahay, happy ang buhay.
When we talk about bahay, we talk about family. God created family to be a secure place where one would grow and mature, receive love and affection, and even correction and discipline. And you know, honey, as parents, this is exactly the kind of place that we want to give our children. But we need to understand that a happy house begins with a happy marriage between the husband and the wife. Our marriage is the foundation for our home and family. Subukan po nating bumisita sa isang tahanan where there is love between mommy and daddy, and you will find their children happy and secure. But at the same time, bumisita po tayo sa isang tahanan na puno ng awayan at alitan ng mag-asawa, and you will find their children unstable, or worse, some are even suffering from mental depression.
That's right. Kaya naman napakahalaga sa isang mag-asawa na patatagin ang kanilang pagsasama because the strength of your marriage will create a happy home for your children. You are the foundation of your family. You are your kids' inspiration. That is why you have to make sure that you have to make your wife happy all the time.
Alam mo, Han, there are so many ways of making your spouse happy. But today, let's just give them 3 tips. At kapag naman po ginawa nyo ang tips na to, you can be assured of having a happy spouse and happy house. Number 1 tip, put your spouse first ahead of you. Unahin po natin, or we call it prefer. Prefer your spouse. Unahin ang needs ng asawa bago ikaw. Magbigay ng walang inaantay na kapalit. Ano ba yung mga maibibigay natin? We can give our time, our love, and even our honesty to our spouse. Let us learn to bless our spouse. Be generous. Ang generosity po, hindi lamang po ito sa pera or sa material na bagay, but we can be generous with our words, with our affirmation, and with our actions. Alam mo, honey, when a spouse put the need of the spouse ahead of her, guess what will happen? Siyempre, she will do the same thing.
Number 2, you have to make your spouse feel that you belong to one team and not in competition. Alam mo, it's sad to say, no? Maraming mag-asawa ngayon, they're competing with one another.
Yes.
And it's a sad fact na talagang nangyayari yan sa buhay. Nakakalungkot isipin na maraming mag-asawa sa ngayon ang ginagawa yan. You have to have, dapat wala ng I, me, and mine. From the word itself, napaka-selfish na, di ba? Dapat it should be us, we, and ours. Because you are already one. And when you say you are already one, it means dapat magkakampi. Your spouse is not your enemy. And you should always walk in agreement.
Okay, number 3, and this is your favorite. Be intimate to each other. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan to be physically intimate with each other. Sabi nga, honey, keep the fire burning. Remember that your spouse longs for your touch and your caress. Dapat lagi silang excited umuwi ng bahay and they will be looking forward to spending the night with you. Part of being intimate to each other is also your spiritual intimacy. You know, as husband and wife, you need to pray together because this is the highest form of intimacy between a husband and wife. Sa pagpasok ng bagong taon, what a better time to start making your house and making your spouse happy.
Huwag po nating kalimutan manalangin. Lagi po nating sanang tandaan na ang mag-asawang sabay manalangin.
Na pagtatagumpayan lahat ng suliranin.
Ito po si Bong.
Ito naman po si Claire.
Para sa Happy Bahay.
Happy buhay!